Justin, on not on my face. So, the window. Not on the window, Justin might go inside.
Oh! Hala ka, it's raining.
No. Okay, Tita, do you want to get hard?
Nana, he's coming down.
Not that one, Justin. Lagot ka kay uncle mo.
He's going to put that in. Oh my God. Look at you in there, Gabriel.
Okay, ready? Y'all ready?
Gabriel.
What did you do now?
His mommy like that.
Tawanan.
No, so, lalagyan yung bungangan niya.
Ano, is it yucky? Uh-oh, what happened? Hala, itsura mo, Gabriel.
Sorry, ready? Natatawa ka.
Ayaw niya. Ay, nagagalit na siya. Uh-oh. Pag sa kanya, ayaw niya. Uh-oh. Pag sa kanya, ayaw niya.
No, not on his face.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Justin, is that?
Wala, hindi na umihinga.
Papa, nagtod!
Ikaw na ang tawa ko.
Justin, I'm wet. I don't want to be wet.
That's not funny! That's funny! Look at me, I'm wet!
Pag sa kanya, ayaw, nagagalit siya. Pero pag kay Nana, pag kay Nana, tumatawa. Oo. See what happened to Nana? Hala ka.
Owie!
Oo.
Give Nana a hug.
Give Nana a hug.
Awi.
Say sorry. Awi daw, oh. Lagot ka.
Pakitin mo.
Ayan na naman si Gwen.